Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaisa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this triangular shawl. The shawl we can make it for the adult as well as for the children's size. As many rounds we repeat, this project will get expanded, then we can use for the adults. If you are watching my tutorial for the first time, I request all of you to subscribe my channel. If you have any comments or suggestions, you can put it in the comment section. So let's start the project. This project I have taken here milk cotton yarn. You can use any choice of your yarn. Only thing you have to remember to take the hook size which they are mentioning on the label. So I have taken here 3.5 as per the instruction given on the label. So let's start the project. We'll start this project with the slip stitch. Then I'm going to make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We made here 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we'll insert the hook into the first chain, insert the hook, and then pull this yarn through this. We'll make chain 1, 2, 3, 4, yarn over 2 times. I'm going to make double crochet, a triple crochet into this ring. Into this, insert the yarn and then pull through this 1, 2, 3. Again yarn over 2 times. Going to make one more, 1, 2, 3. So we made here, including these first chains, 3 triple crochets. Yarn over into this 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So we got here 2, 4, 6, 7, 8. We made here 8 triple crochet. Chain 1, 2, 3. Yarn over 2 times. Into this we are going to make again 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We made here 2, 4, 5 triple crochet. We are going to make 6, 7, and the last one into this. So we made here 8 triple crochets, 3 chain, 8 double crochet. So this is the round 1. Now we are moving to the second round. Turn the project. Into this we'll make 1 single crochet. Into the second, 1 single crochet. Into the third, 1 single crochet. Into the fourth, 1 single crochet. Instead of making chain, I'm making this single crochets. If you like to do the chains, you can do it. This is 4 single crochets I have made here, and then 2 more. So total 6 single crochets or 6 chains. Yarn over. Into the next double crochet we are going to make front post double crochet. Into this yarn, do like this, yarn over, pull through the first 2 and the second 2, and then yarn over into the next, pull through the first 2 and the second 2, yarn over into this first 2 and the second 2, yarn over. So into each double crochet, triple crochet, we are making front post double crochet. This is called front post double crochet. and then we'll make chain 5. 1 2 3 4 5, yarn over. Into this we'll make 1 front post double crochet, 2 3 4 5 6 7 yarn over. Here we are going to make the last double crochet. For that we need to make first of all 3 chain, 1 2 3, yarn over. From here we'll count 1 2 3 into the third chain, we'll make 1 double crochet. So this is the second round. Now we are going to repeat these two patterns. So one more row I'll show you. Turn the project. Into this one we'll make 1 single crochet, into this 1 more single crochet, into this 1 more single crochet, again 1 more single crochet. So we made here 4 single crochets, yarn over 2 times. Into this space we are going to make 8 triple crochets. For that one we already have, so we have to make 7 triple crochets. So into this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and then I'm going to make into the fourth double crochet. 1 2 3 4, 1 single crochet, again yarn over. This is the middle stitch. There we will be doing 8 triple crochet, 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 3 4, 6, 6, 7, 8, and then we'll make 3 chain. 1 2 3, 8 triple crochet. Eight triple crochet, yarn over, 1 triple crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8th one I'm going to make 1 2 3 into this stitch, third stitch, 8 triple crochet. Now let's turn the project. We'll make one single crochet, second one, third one, fourth one. Now yarn over into the very first double crochet. We'll make one front post double crochet, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, and the seventh one. Now to make a space here, we are going to make 3 chain. 1, 2, 3, yarn over, 1 double crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then chain 3 into this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8th one. We'll make 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, yarn over to the 3rd chain. We'll make 1 double crochet. Again we have made the space here. So the first row will be triple crochet, then front post double crochet, then again triple crochet, then front post double crochet. Like this we are going to continue till we get our desired size for the project. So this is how we are going to repeat the pattern until we get our desired size for the project. So I really hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial, and once you finish the project you can just snip off this yarn and then you can pull this yarn through this loop so it will get secured here, and then we can pull this excess yarn through these chains so that it will more secure and invisible. Really hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. We'll see you on another video with a new pattern. Thank you.